Meantime, this Republicans escalating their battle against the Biden administration over federal COVID-19 vaccine mandates this week, calling for the president to backtrack from the requirements that they consider an unconstitutional violation of American rights. GOP officials in states including Florida, Alabama, Arizona taking steps to push back on the requirement for businesses with more than 100 employees to require workers to be vaccinated or tested regularly. And joining us now to discuss, employment attorney now Jonathan Bell. It does get into a lot of questions legally. Jonathan, thanks so much for coming on. Many people we've already seen being put in difficult situations, either choosing to get the vaccine or lose their job. Is there any legal recourse in these situations?
Well, the employer certainly can require their employees to be vaccinated to go into the workplace. That's very well established. However, even given those mandates, there are workarounds, and the only workarounds really are the medical exemption and the religious exemption. So if you medically can't get the vaccine and a physician's willing to support that, whether it be allergies or something else, and you provide the proper documentation, you can be entitled to a reasonable accommodation. Same thing goes with religious exemptions. If you have a bona fide, sincerely held religious belief where you cannot get the vaccine, you can request a reasonable accommodation. And in that situation, your employer has to engage in the interactive process and see, potentially you could work from home, maybe work with a mask, undergo weekly testing and things of that nature. But other than those two exemptions, you really have very limited rights. Now, going to your initial point with the federal government, federal employees have to abide by the mandates. I do think private sector, there is an avenue to challenge the federal government, because I don't believe the federal government has that power to mandate these private sector employees with 100 or more employees to do the mandate or the testing. I think that's up to the states and the cities.
Yeah, they're going through OSHA to get that accomplished. I want to go back to the exemptions that you mentioned, because there are situations where we've heard that some employees go for this exemption, but the employers do not acknowledge the exemptions. Is there any issues there? Do they have to acknowledge the exemption?
So they have to acknowledge the exemption 100%. First, they have to determine if the exemption is a valid exemption, and then they could accept it or deny it. If they deny it and it's wrongfully denied, that's the reason for attorneys like us. We fight for that. We go, whether it be to the EEOC or a state and city division of human rights. That is the definition, essentially, of religious discrimination or disability discrimination. So there are options in that sense. Now, let's take it a step further. Even if you qualify for the exemption, your employer doesn't automatically have to accommodate you. There has to be an interactive process. The employer can establish that it's unduly burdensome and still ultimately deny you, but they do have to consider it, and there has to be an interactive process.
But they can deny it. Okay. And then final question for you, natural immunity. Is that something that will ever be considered as an exemption?
I hope so, because science proves it, and logically makes sense. I'm not sure why there is not a carve-out at this point. I know that if you had COVID, you can't even get the vaccine for a period of time.
Yeah, correct. Absolutely. Jonathan Bell joining us live. Jonathan, thank you so much. We appreciate that. That's great information.
Thank you.